Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today, I wanted to give you a update. It's been a while of her baby chicks. They are 6 weeks old and enjoying the outdoors every day. And this is a video of them trying cantaloupe, and they love it. This was from a couple weeks ago, and our poor little Millie girl was limping for a while, a couple days, but she's doing a lot better. So enjoy the video of our little chicks.
Okay, all 4 of them are eating.
Oh my gosh, they're like feverish.
I really like it. Oh my god.
And there's our Millie girl. You can tell she's in some pain. But thankfully, it didn't last very long.
No, poor Millie.
Look it. They're so cute.
No, they're like little sister and brothers. Or not brothers, sisters. Just sisters.
No brother.
No brothers, because we don't want a rooster.
No, we want a rooster.
Then we can't have it. If it's a rooster, we can't have it anymore.
So we can go in the country.
Move to the country?
Ah. I'm gonna go in.
I don't think they're really interested in the cantaloupe. Are they?
Grass. You want some sprinkled grass on them?
Careful.
I think
It's getting breezy now.
Oh, the okay.
She's eating. Let's not rile her up because she's got an owie foot.
Come here, little baby.
Oh my goodness, he's so big now. Isn't he? He's just so big.
You little baby now? No, huh? You little baby? Huh? Let's put you down. You just probably... Good Orange! Just come here now. Very good. Good boy. Come here, big girl. Come on. Find a way.
Poor Millie.
Poor little Millie.
Poor Millie girl.
She can't. Oh, you're a good girl.
Okay, let's be careful with the babies.
Baby, they're baby. Baby.
Linda. Hi, Linda girl. Hi, Linda girl.
Come on, show your face. Come on,
Hi,
don't be
Linda
shy.
girl.
No, this is over.
Hi, Olive. Hi, Olive.
That's not really a good idea.
Oh, she flew up there? Oh, poor girl.
I think that's not really good for her. Trying to be good for her wings. Thank you. Look a little Lucifer. Mom, can you get a video of me? Can I get out of it?
Whoa. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, look at Millie holding her one leg up. Poor little tyke.
Lucy.
I just don't know if we need to like have her, you know. Oh, Millie. Millie should not be going up there. I guess just leave her up there. She probably just wants to rest.
Yeah. That's her top one.
Yeah.
We should call her
Her bed.
the bed and the top one because there's a food area. Millie! Millie, come on, look at him.
It's supposed to be a little treat.
So cute.
Yeah. Oh, precious puppy.
Hi. Bye. What are you finding in there?
I think they're finding old, like, food, probably.
But the food is on
You
there.
know, like the powder.
Maybe that ground up. Oh, poor Millie.
I know.
Guys, if you're watching this, it's actually one of our chickens limped, and that's why it was Millie. It's that one. Oh, she's poopy. That's kind of embarrassing. But
I didn't see that.
okay, so this is Lucy, which is not limped. That's Millie, which she's limped. But by the way, if you're watching this, Millie does poopy a long time ago. Just hi. And then this is Linda. She's beautiful. She's a little baby. Are you a little baby? Are you a little baby? Are you a little baby? There you go. I love you. Let me pick you up again. Hi, you little baby. Oh, bye. I guess you just went running off.
What are they finding now? Pasta?
I think a pasta, yeah, pasta. They love pastas. That's why that's good for them. So yeah.
Thankfully, our little Millie is doing so much better, and the chicks love cantaloupe. It's a little treat for them when we give it to them. Thanks for watching, and we'll try to update you more on our chicks. Thank you.